Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have a NHL cap presented by Famous Thinking. Sneakers.Famousthinking.com. 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 That is where you can find NHL hats. That is the sponsor. Let's take a look. There it is. St. Louis Blues NHL cap. A little up close action of the logo. This is a polyurethane visor. How about that? When do you ever see that? And you're going to see something interesting with this cap. And who this is made after, made for. Side profile. Robby Fabbri. That's what the 15 stands for. He was a player for the Blues. He ended up getting traded after 2018-2019. He was part of the Stanley Cup championship team. He really got off to a great start in the NHL. And that is what this cap 15 resembles. This cap was made 2018-2019, I believe. Maybe 2000. I think that's about right, especially with the tags. You can tell when the new era cap is. What a new era cap is. Let's take a look at the side. UV has a 7 1/4 sticker underneath that. You do see that in some caps, especially with depends on what the design is. See, there's the polyurethane visor. What do you think about that? 7 1/4. You don't see the polyurethane visor. You don't see that many new era caps at all. And the guts of the hat. 59.50. Blues, founded in 1967. One Stanley Cup to their name. They compete hard. They have a great fan base. If you like this type of content, subscribe. More on the way. Sneakers.Famousthinking.com. Sneakers.Famousthinking.com. And Sneakers.Famousthinking.com. That is where you can find NHL new era caps. That's simple. One of the biggest selections in the world, especially new era and NHL. They don't have a contract. It's Fanatics in NHL now. So that's that. Thank you for watching. And we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.